Dereti ya kana mwandiki munene wa kotu Francis Atwoli ni afatie kweherera utungata thutha wa gutungata miaka 24 ikoretwo igithii na mbere riu na ica ikuhi Atwoli ni erigite kuga ati ni arecurania gutiga wira amu riu ni atungatite rungu rwa president na kuma mwaka wa 2001 riria athurirwo rita ria mbere.
I did mention that you are my last president for me to serve. I have served all presidents of the Republic of Kenya, and I also assured shop stewards recently that as you see me here, I'm contemplating to exit.
No omothe Atwoli ni umukanirie wigie mubango wake akiuga ati aruti wira ni monanitie mwihoko munene nake na uguo ni ekuhitahitanira giturwa giki itena ringi.
But then, because we have democracy and there are people who are watching what we are doing, whether we are responsive to workers' needs or not, a section of my executive board met and gave another resolution, and they are confident in me. But I want
miario ino ya kotu yukite thiko nini tu thutha wa bodi ya kotu kwanirira ati ni irayukia Atwoli guthie na mbere na utongoria wa ngwataniro ino ona gutwika umothe Atwoli augite ati ngwataniro ya kotu iri na wiyathi wati no ithure mundu ungi kungibatarania.
As much as we have heard our song which says our solidarity is forever, we call ourselves brothers and sisters. This does not mean that as we enter into the new year, that it will be only Atwoli who can be able to lead labor movement.
Ngwataniro ya kotu ikoretwo kuo kwa ihinda ria miaka 60 netafanagia ithurano thutha wa miaka 5 na ihinda-ini riri Atwoli ari na ukuru wa miaka 75 na angikorwo ni ekuheo itena ringi rimwe akarikiriria ari na ukuru wa miaka 80.
Our organization is democratic. We are free and independent, and among our affiliates, 42 of them, they know your capabilities, those who are affiliates, your abilities to articulate issues concerning working men here and across the globe, and they will make a decision.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.